All right, you little mathematicians. Today we're going to learn how to evaluate expressions that have variables in them where we know the value of the variable. So, for example, evaluate the following expression if x equals 4. So we're looking at this expression here, and we're assuming that x equals 4, and we're supposed to just find out what the expression equals. So instead of writing 6x minus 9, since I know that x is 4, I'm going to write 6 times 4 minus 9. We're trying to find out what that equals. Remember, of course, when a coefficient is right next to a variable, that means we're multiplying them. So 6 times 4, we're going to simplify, and we're going to do our multiplication first, of course, order of operations. So 6 times 4, we'll get 24 minus 9. We'll continue to simplify. Next comes the subtraction. 24 minus 9 is 15. So that is what this expression equals when x equals 4. A bit more complicated. We have evaluate the following if y equals 3. So again, I'm going to rewrite it, but instead of writing y, I'm going to write 3. All right, so 5 times 3 minus 3 times 3 plus 7. We're going to evaluate what does that expression equal. Well, 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9. We're doing our multiplication before our subtraction and addition. Plus 7 just comes down. Now we'll do our addition and subtraction from left to right. So first we'll do 15 minus 9, which is 6, plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. All right. Our most complicated expression yet. 28 minus 2z squared, 2z to the second power. It wants us to evaluate that expression if z equals 3. So we're going to rewrite it. But instead of z, I will write 3. I always like to put that in parentheses, of course, to indicate that we're doing multiplication, because since this says 2 times z, I need to make sure it says 2 times 3. Now there are 3 operations here: subtraction, multiplication, and exponent. So I want you to think about which one of those we'll be doing first. That's right, we're going to do our exponent first. So 3 to the second power. Instead of writing 3 to the second power, I'll simplify that to 9. Now we just have subtraction and multiplication. Of course, the multiplication will come first. 2 times 9 is 18. That's where this 18 comes from. Finally, we're going to do the subtraction. 28 minus 18 equals 10. And there we go. I have now simplified this expression if z equaled 3. Now, of course, if z equaled something else, we would get a different answer. But we're proposing that we're to evaluate this expression if z equaled 3. Hopefully that makes sense. We're going to practice it a bit on the Google form, and we'll continue to practice in class tomorrow. Thanks a lot. Have a good one.